Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Brush the ribs with vegetable oil. We use pork ribs about 1 kilogram, about 2 pounds.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder,
I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from.
Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it.
Mix in garlic powder and sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons each. Black pepper. Salt, 3 teaspoons. Brown sugar, 3 teaspoons.
And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from
Spread the prepared mixture over the ribs.
Sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone.
Pork ribs are a source of protein, vitamin B12 and iron, very good for muscles.
Anything that you have to say, can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body.
This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it.
Body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah.
Cover with plastic wrap and let sit for 2 hours. 3 big potatoes. Potatoes are very healthy. They contain potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and support the cardiovascular system and digestion.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day.
Add some salt.
To take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain.
Bake in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes.
Through the night, 'cause I
100 milliliters honey, 1/3 cup of honey.
if you try to get some
2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
you give up the fight, if only just for
1 teaspoon of mustard and 3.5 tablespoons of butter.
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles.
1 cup of orange juice.
I will always think of you and me.
Simmer until thickened for 25 minutes.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the
After an hour, cover the ribs with foil.
promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us.
2 tablespoons of flour.
Day, waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us.
Vegetable oil.
There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
Dredge the potatoes in flour. And fry until golden.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to fall from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning I feel alive as any to see the horizon in the fall. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was
Green onions.
is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow.
Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give.
In the same pan, fry the onions.
It's a good day.
200 grams of mushrooms, 7 ounces. Mushrooms, rich in antioxidants, vitamins D and B, boost immunity and reduce inflammation.
And not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today.
Add the mushrooms to the onions. Three garlic cloves.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater.
Garlic lowers blood pressure, strengthens immunity, and helps fight viruses.
Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Yeah, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think
2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it.
2 tablespoons of sour cream and half a cup of water.
Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Some olive oil and salt.
Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people will try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody
Black
listens
pepper.
to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away?
Parsley.
Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional. And sometimes
Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels.
lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Pour the sauce over the mushrooms. Cook for 3 minutes.
I want your body. I want your body. Yeah. Oh, and I want your body. You know I want your body. I want your body.
Put the potatoes into the mushrooms.
There's a new day that will
Cook for another 2 minutes and remove from heat.
tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. out by the rain.
Brush the ribs with the glaze.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise.
And place in the oven for another 20 minutes.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if
Excellent
only
result.
just
Delicious.
for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free.
Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe.
To get you through your struggles, I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day.
Enjoy your meal.